Get ready to transform your ride with our 20 early Amazon car interior accessories deals. Black Friday 2025. Big save alert. Up to 60% off, but time is limited. We've hunted down rare, trending, and must-have gadgets that'll upgrade your car, keep it organized, and protect your interior. Stick around to snag these insane early deals before the big sale rush hits. Number 1. Lasfit Floor Mats. Toyota Tacoma 2024 to 2026. Protect your Toyota Tacoma with Lasfit floor mats, custom designed for 2024 to 2026 models to cover every inch of your car's floor. The raised edges trap dirt, mud, and spills, while the non-slip backing keeps mats secure during drives. Made from premium, durable, water-resistant materials, they're easy to clean and built to last. Sleek and stylish, these mats complement any interior while providing maximum protection. Whether off-roading or running errands, grab this early Black Friday deal to keep your Tacoma's cabin spotless and polished. Number 2. Hotor Trunk Organizer. 2 compartments. Keep your trunk organized with the Hotor Trunk Organizer, featuring 2 spacious compartments. Perfect for groceries, sports gear, or emergency supplies, it prevents rolling items and keeps everything accessible. The water-resistant, premium material wipes clean easily, and the reinforced handles make transport effortless. Its collapsible design allows for convenient storage when not in use. Early Black Friday deals make this a must-have for drivers who want a neat, organized trunk that simplifies every trip while protecting your belongings from mess and damage. Number 3. Coverado Full Car Seat Covers Set. Protect your car seats with the Coverado Full Car Seat Covers Set, designed to cover front and rear seats for maximum protection. Soft, breathable, and durable, they guard against spills, stains, and wear while enhancing your interior with a sleek, elegant look. Easy to install and machine washable, these covers maintain comfort and style on every ride. With waterproof layers to handle pets and messes, the Coverado set is ideal for anyone who wants a refined, well-protected interior. Early Black Friday deals make upgrading your cabin effortless. Number 4. Coolpow MagSafe. Car mount holder. Stay safe and hands-free with the Coolpow MagSafe car mount holder, designed for all MagSafe compatible devices. Its strong magnetic connection keeps phones secure on bumpy roads, while 360-degree rotation ensures the perfect viewing angle for maps, calls, or music. Easy one-hand operation allows quick mounting or removal, and the sleek design blends seamlessly with any dashboard or air vent. Early Black Friday discounts make this stylish, practical mount a must-have for drivers seeking safety, convenience, and a clutter-free car interior. Number 5. Foronetry Floor Mats. Tesla Model Y 2025 to 2026. Keep your Tesla Model Y pristine with Foronetry Bag Floor, custom fit for 2025 to 2026 models. Raised edges trap dirt, mud, and spills, while non-slip backing ensures the mats stay firmly in place. Made from eco-friendly, durable materials, these mats are easy to clean and built to last. Their sleek design matches Tesla's minimalist interior while offering maximum functionality. Early Black Friday deals make this a smart investment for Tesla owners who want a cleaner, more organized cabin and long-lasting protection from daily wear and tear. Number 6. Hotor Trunk Organizer with Cooler. The Hotor Trunk Organizer with Cooler is perfect for drivers seeking storage and chilled items in one. Multiple compartments organize groceries, drinks, and picnic essentials, while the insulated cooler keeps items cold. Reinforced sides and durable materials prevent sagging or tipping, making it ideal for heavier loads. Easy to carry with sturdy handles and water-resistant for quick cleaning, it's perfect for errands, road trips, or outdoor adventures. Early Black Friday deals make this versatile organizer a must-have for keeping your trunk organized, secure, and chilled wherever you go. Number 7. Superliner Tesla Model Y Floor mats. Protect your Tesla Model Y interior with Superliner floor mats, tailored for 2025 to 2026 models for a precise, gap-free fit. Raised edges trap dirt and spills, and the textured surface prevents slipping for a safer cabin. Crafted from premium water-resistant materials, these mats are durable and easy to clean, perfect for daily commutes or muddy adventures. Sleek and functional, they enhance your interior while protecting it from wear. Early Black Friday deals make Superliner mats an essential accessory for Tesla owners who want style, cleanliness, and protection in one package. Number 8. Knodel Trunk Organizer with cooler. Stay organized with the Knodel Trunk Organizer with cooler, featuring multiple compartments and a built-in insulated section to keep drinks and groceries chilled. Its premium, water-resistant construction ensures easy cleanup, while reinforced handles make transporting items effortless. The collapsible design allows for compact storage when not in use, perfect for busy drivers. Ideal for picnics, shopping trips, or sports gear, this versatile organizer keeps your trunk tidy and items secure. Early Black Friday deals make it a practical, must-have accessory for convenience and organized storage on the go. Number 9. Lusrait Universal Seat Cushion. Enhance comfort on long drives with the Lusrait Universal Seat Cushion. Designed to fit most vehicles, it provides support for your lower back and hips, reducing fatigue during daily commutes or long road trips. Soft, breathable material keeps you cool, while the non-slip backing ensures it stays in place. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to move between cars or home use. Early Black Friday deals make this a practical upgrade for drivers seeking comfort, ergonomics, and support, turning any car seat into a more comfortable and enjoyable ride. Number 10. Hiseanllo Carbon Fiber Steering Wheel Cover. Upgrade your steering experience with the Hiseanllo Carbon Fiber Steering Wheel Cover. Combining style, comfort, and functionality, it provides a secure grip while protecting your wheel from wear and tear. The sporty carbon fiber pattern adds a modern touch, and the soft texture ensures comfort during long drives. Easy to install, it fits most standard wheels and improves handling while reducing hand fatigue. Early Black Friday deals make this sleek, durable cover a must-have for drivers looking to enhance both the appearance and functionality of their car interior. Number 11. Oedro Underseat Storage for Ford F-150. Maximize your Ford F-150 storage with the Oedro Underseat Storage solution. Designed to fit snugly under your rear seats, it keeps tools, emergency gear, and small essentials neatly organized and out of sight. Its durable, heavy-duty construction resists wear and tear, while the secure latches prevent items from shifting during drives. Easy to install and access, this underseat storage system is perfect for daily use, road trips, or work trucks. Take advantage of early Black Friday deals and keep your F-150 cabin tidy and functional with Oedro's practical storage solution. Number 12. Knodel Foldable Car Trunk Organizer. Stay organized on the go with the Knodel Foldable Car Trunk Organizer. Featuring multiple compartments and a collapsible design, it's perfect for groceries, sports gear, and everyday essentials. The premium water-resistant material ensures easy cleanup, while reinforced handles make carrying items hassle-free. When not in use, it folds flat for compact storage. Early Black Friday deals make this a must-have for anyone who wants a tidy, clutter-free trunk and an easy way to transport belongings securely wherever you drive. Number 13. YonzEE Foldable Desk Tray for Tesla. The YonzEE Foldable Desk Tray transforms your Tesla into a mobile workstation, perfect for road trips, remote work, or eating on the go. This foldable tray attaches securely to your seat or center console. Made from premium, durable materials, it supports laptops, tablets, or meals with ease. Its compact, foldable design makes storage simple when not in use. Early Black Friday deals make this tray a versatile, practical accessory for Tesla owners who want convenience, productivity, and comfort on the road. Number 14. Surjver Smart Car Air Freshener. Keep your car smelling fresh with the Surjver Smart Car Air Freshener. This high-tech device releases long-lasting, adjustable fragrances that neutralize odors and enhance your driving experience. Its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any interior and operates quietly. Easy to refill and control, it provides a consistent, pleasant scent during commutes, road trips, or ride shares. With early Black Friday discounts, this smart air freshener is a must-have for drivers who value a clean, inviting, and aromatic car interior. Number 15. Kansmart Magnetic Sunglass Holder. Protect your sunglasses and keep them accessible with the Kansmart Magnetic Sunglass Holder. Easy to install on your car's visor or dashboard, it securely holds your shades without scratching or slipping. Its strong magnetic design ensures stability even on bumpy roads, while the sleek, minimalistic look blends with any interior. Perfect for commuters, travelers, or anyone who wears sunglasses daily, this holder keeps your eyewear safe and within reach. Early Black Friday deals make it an affordable, stylish, and practical accessory for every car owner. Number 16. Zeyitian Cup Holder Expander. 2-pack double your drink storage with the Zeyitian Cup Holder Expander 2-pack. These expandable holders fit most vehicle cup holders and keep beverages secure during drives. Perfect for coffee, water bottles, or travel mugs. They prevent spills and wobbling. Made from durable, easy-to-clean materials, the expanders enhance convenience for drivers and passengers alike. Early Black Friday deals make this affordable, practical accessory ideal for families, commuters, and road trip enthusiasts who want a safer, more organized car. Interior for drinks on the go. Number 17. Alavisxf CD/DVD Storage Case 96 Capacity. Organize your media collection with the Alavisxf CD/DVD storage case, holding up to 96 discs in a compact portable design. Durable materials protect against scratches, dust, and damage while keeping discs easily accessible. Perfect for audiophiles, families, or anyone who travels with DVDs, CDs, or games. It fits neatly in your car or home. Early Black Friday deals make this case a must-have for keeping your media organized, safe, and ready to enjoy whenever you need it. Number 18. Veharvim Sun Visor Extender UV 400. Protect your eyes and skin from harsh sunlight with the Veharvim Sun Visor Extender UV 400. This adjustable visor extends your car's built-in sunshade, blocking harmful UV rays while reducing glare during driving. Easy to install and compatible with most vehicles, it improves comfort and safety on bright days. Durable and lightweight, it's perfect for long commutes or road trips. Take advantage of early Black Friday discounts and upgrade your car with this practical, eye-protecting accessory that keeps you safe and comfortable on every drive. Number 19. Sinvanho Backseat Cup Holder Tray. Make backseat rides convenient with the Sinvanho Backseat Cup Holder Tray. Designed for children, passengers, or pet owners, it holds drinks, snacks, or small devices securely while traveling. The foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use, and the durable, easy-to-clean material ensures long-lasting use. Perfect for daily commutes, road trips, or family adventures, this tray keeps your backseat organized and mess-free. Early Black Friday deals make it a practical, essential addition for every car interior. Number 20. Dream Apparel Motorcycle Guardian Bell. Keep your motorcycle safe with the Dream Apparel Motorcycle Guardian Bell, a traditional good luck charm that wards off road gremlins and enhances riding protection. Compact and durable, it attaches easily to any bike frame, providing a subtle, stylish touch. Perfect for riders of all experience levels, it symbolizes safety and peace of mind on every journey. Early Black Friday deals make this Guardian Bell a meaningful and practical gift for motorcyclists, adding both charm and protection for countless rides ahead. Thanks for watching. Don't miss these early Amazon car interior accessories deals this Black Friday 2025. Upgrade your ride, stay organized, and protect your car with these must-have gadgets. Grab them before they sell out.